Okay, so today's video is about the Samsung clx-4195FW with the paper jamming problem. So these particular Samsung printers are sold under this model number. There's also the C1860 model and the clp415 and a few other model numbers in the printer only version, which doesn't have the scanner capability. This is a common problem in this model of printer. The problem is a result of the heat of summer that we have experienced, and to fix this issue we have to pull this side of the printer off to get to the solenoids in the printer which play up. This is a classic problem that's plagued through Samsung machines from 15 years ago to today. It's a common problem with Hewlett-Packard and Canon machines because basically there's very little difference between a Samsung and a Hewlett-Packard / Canon printer. It's like they use the same design engineers and build into the printers the same exact faults that happen year after year after year. So what you've got to do to begin with is remove this screw that's in here, which I've already removed, this screw in here, which I've already removed. Then we need to go around to the back of the printer and you need to remove that screw in there and that screw in there, and of course unplug it from the power cord before you pull the side off. So once you've got that off, you just grab it and it slides backwards. You can see there's the little notches in there it latches on. So this machine will typically start before it paper jams with an I think 41111 error. That 411 error is caused by this solenoid in here going faulty. The solenoid itself doesn't go faulty. It's the way the solenoid is constructed at the factory that makes it go faulty. They use these tiny little pieces of foam, and they know after approximately 3 to 4 cycles of summer that that foam will start to decay and will turn into a sticky, tacky mess. Now for the paper jamming, it's a bit harder to fix, but I've come up with a shortcut that makes fixing this problem very, very quick and very, very simple. Okay, so to tip, what we've got to do is we've got to tip the machine over on its side. Like so. And once you tip it over, you need to be careful that the top lid doesn't swing. It's advisable to get some sticky tape and tape the lid to the side. So I'll just tape it in. It's just a precautionary thing because the hinges, which are on the back here, they're very easy to break in this model. Very common for them to break right now because the plastic has reached a certain age. Just tape it down